What happens when you're constantly feeling sluggish, with a stubborn belly area that just won't budge, no matter how much you diet or exercise? This could be a sign that your liver function is compromised. If left unchecked, this could lead to severe health issues such as diabetes and heart disease. An esteemed team of scientific researchers has recently found a new way to tackle this issue. Their research shows that the problem of low energy and stubborn belly fat is completely reversible. It's not about eating less or exercising more, but rather, it's due to compromised liver function. This is not another fad diet or strenuous workout plan and doesn't involve any harmful medications or supplements. Researchers from this team used a unique blend of Mediterranean plants and supernutrients on 234,000 test subjects. Days later, these people experienced a significant reduction in their belly fat and an increase in their energy levels, regardless of their age. These subjects not only lost weight, but also naturally skyrocketed their energy levels, increased their metabolism rate, and improved overall health. If you're sick of wasting hundreds each year on ineffective diets and workout plans, we urge you to visit our website now. Don't waste another day on risky solutions that don't deliver results. Imagine no more fatigue or stubborn belly fat, and best of all, never having to go through another grueling diet or workout plan ever again. The fat loss industry does not want you to know about this discovery and uncover the fastest, most powerful fat loss secret in the world. Click the Learn More link below, now before it's taken down from the internet for good. Experience the benefits of a healthier liver function today.